What's going on, y'all? So today's a pretty good day, and I'm gonna try to put this engine inside the GSX. The plan is just to put it in there and see how it's running, and just listen to it. And I'm gonna take it right out and fix all the gasket, get it resurfaced, and pretty much rebuild it from there back to stock. To be honest, but I pretty much got everything sitting out, as you can see. What I'm about to do is just assemble the heads onto the block and try to get it ready to put it back in the car, and we're gonna go from there. More than likely today on this video, I won't be able to start it because I ain't got a battery right now, but on the next video, I'll try to get it started. But from now on, we're gonna try to get it in there. So my camera had died, but I got a few things out the way. I already put the heads on, timing belt, took the transfer case off just so I could make it a little smoother. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in. I mean, it looks ugly because I'm just reusing parts. I just want to hear how it sounds and whatnot, and then I'm gonna take it apart and just do everything the right way, take it to a machine, get it cleaned out and everything. Oh, I forgot to record this part. My neighbor came out and helped me push the car so I could put the engine in the car, because you know I work on the grass. So let me demonstrate what I usually do. So, you know, I know the straps ain't the prettiest thing to use, but this is like my 7th time using straps, and it gives me more flexibility. I mean, if you know what you're doing, try it, but if you're iffy about it, don't do it. Get chains. But I'll pick it up and the wheels will always dig in the dirt. And right now we had rain like 2 days ago for like 2 days, so they digged in. My neighbor came and helped push the car while the engine was in the air, and we just slowly put it down, wiggled it a bit, and it just fit in. So now I'm gonna just put the bolts on, and I'm probably gonna stop right there. But the video ain't over. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to hook everything up and have it ready for the next video. So I already got the motor mounts and the transmission, already got them mounted up. Got that one in. I'm gonna take a little break right now and finish the rest tomorrow so I can keep the video going.